Right now I just go and live till me dead in a youth car. I don't see no other purpose to life right now, youth. Cause no matter how you try, dog, you try and you try and you try and you try. Life a fight you, people a fight you, police a fight you, thief a fight you, liar a fight you, doctor a fight you. Money you run up and down like say you're doing same thing for you, bro. Right now I just a live till me dead, brother. You see me? See all the goat them a call me goat. Me know I say me great, brother. Me know I say me great. Make nice, make nice, make nice. All you know say me a one, now you know I got. But how to do? More time feel like say God I pray for you to do, brother. Me tired, brother, tired dog. But hear what go on here now. You see, ambition is a blood clotting, you know. Ambition no make you ease up in the dark. No matter how you feel like you want to give up, ambition is a thing that push you hard. Ambition the curse with more time. God up, heaven know you God, and I tell you the truth. Me no know the purpose of life. Cause no matter how me try me feel, but we still have to try. And I ride there, so me hear you. Not just the words, but the weight behind them. Every door was shut, every fight will come. Every time you rise on life, push your back down. Me hear you when you say you're tired. I mean not tell you fi man up. Cause sometimes a man carry so much. Him forget say him human too. But hear me now. You say you just live till you dead. Get the same out, still talk about ambition. The same heart still say, but we still have to try. That me hear louder than everything. Something in now you're still fighting. Even when your mind said done. Something in now you're still searching. Even when you can't see sun. Me know life can code. Me know people can switch. Me know you can work like slave and still feel like you not move 1 inch. Yeah. You watch money that you watch, opportunity pass. Watch people will never fight off your fight. Move twice as fast. Then you ask God, why me still there? But delay no mean defeat, and hard road no mean you lost your way. So when you're tired, rest if you have to, but don't disappear. Stay right here. Oh, you don't have to know the whole purpose tonight. Sometimes the purpose is making it through the night. And tomorrow we get up and try. Tomorrow we get up and try. Even when we don't know why, we still get up and try. Yeah. You call ambition a curse, and me understand. Cause ambition wake you out to sleep and demand more from a man. It show you the mountain while your foot still a climb, and make you feel like failure when the dream don't reach on time. But maybe ambition not the curse. Maybe the pain is believing everything you want must happen right now. Greatness isn't nice. Greatness is when pressure beat you down and you still don't let pressure turn you into somebody else. And hear me good, you never have to pretend strong around me. If you vex, say you vex. If you're tired, say you're tired. If you're confused, say me no know. Some days you don't need a speech. You just need somebody beside you who won't leave when life get rough. Maybe One day, somebody sit where you sit, say the same words, ready for quit. And you look at me now in my eye and say me know that road. Me did walk there too, and somehow, brother, me make it through. Maybe your answer not written yet, maybe a story not finished yet. So when you're tired, rest if you have to, but don't disappear. Oh, when the road dark, walk slow if you have to, but stay right here. You don't have to know the whole purpose tonight. Sometimes the purpose is making it through the night. And tomorrow we get up and try. Tomorrow we get up and try. Even when we don't know why, we still get up and try. Me hear you, youth, life rough, people unfair, dreams take long. But one bad chapter can't tell you how the whole book ends. As long as breath still comes, something still left to write. So tomorrow, youth, we try